There are always many questions about the required disclosures to tenants. Each state is different, and in fact, many counties and cities have their own laws regarding disclosures. To keep this video brief, I have attached a 34-page disclosure chart that outlines the required disclosures in California. It is included in the document list for this section. Additionally, I recommend checking online for other disclosures that may be required in your local county or city. Having said that, here's an incomplete list of some of the disclosures that are required: flood hazard, Megan's Law, which is a sex offender site, bed bugs, carbon monoxide, lead-based paint, periodic pest control treatments, death in the rental within the last 3 years, any material facts that may impact the tenant's health and safety, carcinogenic materials, and many more. Okay, let's proceed to handing over the keys.